In this video, I will show you how to create opinion poll. First, you need to click extension, Coffee form, and then load form template like this. And now you can search opinion poll like this. After you found it, just click load selected template. Just wait for it, and then you can check the dashboard, responses, question, and settings tab. Just refresh the page like this, and click Coffee form, and then get link, and click continue here, and then go to your account, and just wait for it. Click advance, and go to Coffee form, and then just click allow here. You just need to follow step by step, and you will get a link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine like this. And now the form is ready to use, but you can also edit the appearance or question or anything in the form. Like for example, I use question type and I want to insert a new row like this. I use text here and change the question. For example, I change it into name, and go to your form to check it and refresh it, and it will show like this in the form. Also, I want to change it, give an example, change it into date like this. Don't forget to change the question too, and it will show like this in the form, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Also, you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so the row will disappear instantly like this. It's very easy to use. And now I go to setting tab to change the background color of my form, and it will change instantly. It's very easy to use. You can also do it too. Also, in this box, I want to give an example. I delete the code of HTML, so the title will stuck like this. You can see it, or you can add a new code for the HTML. And here I want to update new logo, so it will update it instantly. Thank you.